Estimated that individuals in the U.S. suffer 1 billion colds each year. You heard me correctly. Family physician Dr. Leslie Gonzalez joins us today to help you get prepared for cold, cough, and flu season, from what to have ready in your medicine cabinet to tips on how to stay healthy this winter. Good morning, Dr. Gonzalez. So cold, cough, and flu season is upon us, and we know children get sick pretty easily and pretty often. So what can we do to get ahead of this?
One thing you can do is support your immune system by taking vitamins and improving your child's bedtime routine. To help the little ones transition to bedtime, I recommend solutions with effective and wholesome ingredients like calming chamomile and natural honey, which can be found in Zarbee's Children's Gentle Bedtime products. What is great is they come in multiple formats like a melatonin-free gummy and a syrup. Zarbee's also offers a calming gentle bedtime room spray with lavender and chamomile, which helps kids relax and unwind as they prepare for bedtime.
Well, sometimes despite our best efforts, our kids still get sick, right? So what are some tips that you recommend?
Yes, so first and foremost, you should always talk to your doctor. One of my favorite hacks that I like to recommend if your child is experiencing a cough is to turn your bathroom into a steam room, since warm, moist air can help clear nasal pathways and even relieve discomfort. If your child is experiencing a fever, there are good news. There are a lot of different ways to treat it. First, you can use a cold compress to cool their body, and remember to give them a lot of fluids to avoid dehydration. Then, there are two key ingredients that can reduce a fever: acetaminophen and ibuprofen. Acetaminophen can be found in medicines like children's Tylenol or infant's Tylenol. These products can start to reduce a fever in as little as 15 minutes. Ask a doctor before using infant's Tylenol if your child is under 2 years of age. And what's helpful is that these medicines come in various formats, from liquids and flavors like grape, cherry, or bubblegum to dissolved packs or even chewables. Ibuprofen can be found in children's and infants' Motrin. In addition to reducing a fever, children's Motrin can relieve minor aches and pains, and it lasts up to 8 hours. Always make sure to read and follow the product label before use for important product information.
Excellent. Okay, so what about adults, right? So we get sick too, so what do we do?
Well, just like kids, if you're experiencing a fever, consider acetaminophen or ibuprofen. For fast pain relief, I like to recommend Tylenol Rapid Release Gels, which contain acetaminophen.
Okay, and so what about when you're experiencing a runny nose or sneezing? What you got for us for that?
So sometimes we aren't sure if a runny nose or sneezing is from a cold or allergies. Allergy symptoms usually flare up when you're exposed to allergens that you are most sensitive to and cause symptoms such as itchy eyes, nose, or throat. Make sure to pay attention to when you experience these symptoms so you can identify the allergens that bother you. With the cold, people typically experience a wet cough and potentially run a fever. Allergies don't cause fevers, so that's the main difference to look for. The good news is the ingredient diphenhydramine can relieve a runny nose or sneezing, whether from allergies or the cold. This effective allergy and cold relief can be found in Benadryl Allergy Ultra Tabs, which are effective day or night. Also, look for a decongestant like pseudoephedrine that targets sinus pressure and congestion. This can be found in products like Zyrtec D and Sudafed Sinus Congestion. You can find them both behind the pharmacy counter.
Excellent. Thank you very much for taking your time and sharing all these tips with us, Dr. Gonzalez. So do you have, where can folks go if they want to learn some more information?
For more information on ingredients, dosing, and tips, and to make the most out of your health, you can go to healthinhand.org.
Excellent. Thank you so very much. And guys, you know, if you want to watch this segment again, all you have to do is head over to our website.